In front of me is HTC Desire 20 Plus, and let me show you how to activate developer mode on the following device. So first of all, you need to open list of all apps, then find and select settings. Now go to about phone and here locate build number. So here it is. Now you need to click on it 7 times. Then draw your unlock pattern if you have one. And as you can see, from now on you are a developer. So let me go back. And now if you'll go to system and enroll advanced options, you will find developer mode. So smoothly click to open. And now you can use all the features, all the options presented here. Just pick the one that you would like to activate, mark the switcher, and that's it. If you'd like to unmark it, just do it and then it is no longer active. Then whenever you would like to switch off developer mode, just unmark the switcher, and as you can see from now on it is not active. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.